Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log into your Eldorado account. Start by opening your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once your browser is open, move your cursor to the search bar. Click on it and type in eldorado.gg, then press enter on your keyboard. Wait a moment for the website to load completely. When the homepage appears, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Login. Move your cursor to that button and click on it once. After clicking the Login button, a new screen or pop-up will appear. Here, you will see different sign-in methods. These options may include logging in with your email, Google account, or possibly other methods. Choose the same method that you used when you first created your account. This is important to make sure you can access your account without issues. If you select the email option, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Click on the text fields and type in your details carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, especially in your password. If you choose Google or another method, follow the on-screen instructions and select the correct account. After entering your details, click the Login or Continue button. Wait a few seconds while the system processes your information. If everything is correct, you will be logged into your Eldorado account and taken to your dashboard. Thanks for watching.